Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Inky, and today I'll be showing you how to use a copper wire to make a brooch. This type of brooch can be used to design your 3D applique or to make a design on your luxury dresses. This is the pearl I'm going to use for the design. So you can buy this pearl, you can buy it in bulk, or you can buy it in small batches like this. And also any type of pearl can be used. It depends on how bogus you want your brooch to be. So this is my copper wire. So this copper wire is 0.5 mm. It has different width, and you can get the 0.5 mm will be able to work for this type of design. So this is the structure that I've made, and I only use my hand to create this structure. I will teach you how to create the structure here in this tutorial. And I have my hot glue gun, where this is the type of glue that I use to glue the pear to the structure. And so I would prefer you using a hot glue, because it's faster and it sticks easily. So this is my safety pin. So this safety pin will be used to hook it to wherever you want to place the brooch. So I will go ahead now and use this copper wire to create the structure. So just measure 7 inches length. So when you measure 7 inches, you're going to fold that 7 inches into 2. So after you folded the 7 inches into 2, you're now going to twist the structure. You're going to twist it. So the part that will hold the pearl will be twist. So you're going to twist the part that will hold the pearl. So I will twist it like so. So the pearl it's not up to 1 inch long. So you just study the length of the pearl, study it, or you measure it, so that you will use it to twist your copper wire. So after you use it to twist it, then you leave it like so. The remaining, you have 2 strands here, so you unlock the one of the strand. So one of the strand that you unlock, you bring it here again and use it to twist another structure of pearl. So you can see the structure that I'm twisting looks like the pearl I want to put. So the shape of your pearl will determine how you're going to twist your copper wire. So I'll go ahead now and twist my copper wire again. This is the second twist. So I will twist it again like so. I'm going to twist it again like so. So after you have twisted it, you're going to make sure you arrange it. It must be on the same level. It depends on there is no standard to this. There is no standard. It depends on the shape you want your structure to be. The shape will determine whatever you want to make. So after I've done this, I will go again. That one strand that I'm twisting, I'll bring it again and twist it again. So just follow the way I am doing this. So I'll just go ahead now. I have one here. This is the sample of the one that I have done, and the structure is here already. So I'll go ahead now and twist another one. This is the third twist. So I'll twist it. This shape is like an oval shape, like oval. So that oval shape, I'll make sure it's the size of the pearl. Like I told you, the oval shape will be the size of the pearl. So I'm going to twist it again. So after I have twisted it again, and I'll place it where I want it to be. So you can see the shape is forming gradually. So you'll just form the shape gradually, and I have this. So that one strand that I'm twisting is still the one I'm going to bring again and twist in all these spaces. So as I'm twisting it, I'm leaving spaces for the next one I'll place. So the next one will be twisted on the created space. So I'll go ahead again and fold into 2 and twist again. So that's how I'm going to make, like I can make this up to 8 or 9 shapes. The oval shape can be up to 8 or 9. So I will need to fast forward this so that we will not waste our time. So I don't want to waste your time, so I will need to fast forward this. It's still the same process of twisting and placing it. So you use your hand to arrange it. So no standard for this. So make sure whatever you do is creative and it's beautiful, and make sure the measurement is same. There's none of the oval shape is bigger than the other. Then you're going to have a beautiful brooch at the end of the tutorial. So right, like this now, I think I've twisted like 6 oval shape. Then I'm going to twist up to 8. So I'll go ahead again and twist the just one strand is the one I'm twisting. I left one untwisted. So I'll go ahead and twist it. So I almost have 7 here. So here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I have 8 already. Then we'll go ahead and on our glue gun. So I will allow the uh, the wax to melt. So after the wax has melted, then I'll bring a paper so that it will not hurt my hand. So that's the reason why I need to bring a paper, so that my finger will not be hot. Then I'll place the hot glue like so. So go ahead and place the hot glue. Then after placing the hot glue, immediately I'll bring the pearl and place the pearl where the gum is, because the gum sticks faster. So you must be sharp with whatever you are doing. You must be smart with whatever you are doing. So I'll just place it on the space that I've created, so you can see. So in the next 1 minute, it will be dry. So immediately it's dry, you can see it sticks easily. That's why you cannot use any other gum than the melted wax. So I'll place another one. Then I'll go ahead until I fill all the spaces. So I'll go ahead, the same process until I fill all the spaces. I'll place another one again. So when I put the gum, I'll make sure the gum fill in the space very well, so that it will be able to stick easily. So this is the back. This is the back. This is the back. Then I'll go ahead now. This is another one I want to place. I'll put the hot glue where I want to place it. I'll put the hot glue where I want to place it. Make sure you use your hand to arrange it so that none is longer than the other, and the shape is perfect. So I'll place another one until I fill all the spaces. I'll place another one until I fill all the spaces. And here I am. I've done 3, remaining 5. Then I'll go ahead, those 5 also, the same method I used to fill the 3, I will use to fill the 5 spaces. So I'll fill it up carefully and place my pearl. So any pearl can be used to do this design. I told you the shape of your structure depends on the size of your pearl. So you can make it smaller or bigger depending on the shape of your pearl. So I'll go ahead and do this also. After I have done this, then I can use my scissors to arrange anywhere that is shooting out or that is not well placed. I can use my scissors to bend it at this point. Then the next space will be filled until we finish filling all the spaces. And I believe you know how to place it right now. Then after I have done this, I'm almost done with the placing of the pearl. Then you check the back also if the gum is enough, because if the gum is not enough, it will fall off easily. So for you to prevent it from falling off easily, you must put enough gum. So after I have done that, I can use my I will arrange it everything. I will arrange it like so. So I'm almost done. So here there is a space in the middle. The space in the middle can be filled up with another design of pearl, or you can see this silver pearl that I bought. But when I consider it, I said I don't want any silver. I want everything to be gold. So I'm still going to use the same design that I used for the 8 pearls. So this is also beautiful, but for me, I don't want it. I want another type of, I just want to be creative about it. So you can be free with whatever you want to use. Just make sure whatever you use is beautiful. So I'll put a pearl here. I'll put 2 pieces of pearl here. So I'll place it like so. So I'll just consider the way you will place it. If it's beautiful, then you are good to go. So here you can see this is beautiful. Then I can leave it like this or still place one also. So I'll place another one here to make it fill up. So I'll place another one here to make it fill up, and you can see how beautiful it is right away. Where we are now is to place what the pin to use to hold it to wherever you want to hold it to. So this is my safety pin. I get my bias tape, and I'll place it like so on the brooch. So our brooch is almost ready. I'm still going to use my hot glue to place this, to gum the bias tape to it. I'm still going to use the hot glue to gum it. So I'll cut the pieces of the bias. I'm going to cut one side. So you're only going to use like 1 inch out of the bias tape. Then I'll glue this down like so. Then I'll come to the other side and cut it with my scissors and glue it also. So I'll cut this part, then glue it with the melted wax also. Then we are almost done. So with this you can hook it, but if you are not using it as a brooch, you can still use it as you can use it to add up to your 3D applique. On 3D applique we also have this type of design, so you can add it up to your 3D applique to make it more to make your dress more luxurious. So when you're making a luxurious dresses, like dresses that has a lot of 3D applique, you can use this type of structure on it. It will make it more beautiful. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. For more DIYs, you can still log on to my channel and you're going to find many of my tutorials helpful. Then I will see you in my next tutorial. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.